Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Twitch on PS5, quick fix step by step clearly. To start using Twitch on your PS5, first, ensure your console is powered on. Navigate to the home screen of your PlayStation 5. Open the PlayStation Store from the home menu. In the search bar, type Twitch and hit enter. Once you find the Twitch app, select it to view the app details. Click on the download or install button. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. After the installation is complete, return to your home screen. Locate the Twitch app within your game library or on the home menu. Open the Twitch app to launch it for the first time. You will see a prompt to log in or create an account. If you already have a Twitch account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. To broadcast, select the Go Live option from the menu. You may need to allow permissions for the app to access your microphone and camera. Choose your stream settings, including title and category. When ready, click the Start Streaming button to go live. To end your stream, return to the app and select the Stop Streaming option. You can now enjoy interacting with your audience on Twitch using your PS5. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.